Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have the Rago fabrication center mount bumper going on the 6th gen TRD Pro, and I decided to go with the DV8 off-road Fairlead, and the reason being is because number one, DV8 and Rago are basically the same company, same tech, same all that stuff. I love DV8 products. Even though I'm not putting a winch on it, I still got to cover up the hole that's there. So I'm just going to put in the actual Fairlead itself and just hold on to the bumper or the pocket clamp. And yeah, down the road, I might add it, I might not, but here's what it looks like. Let's open it up for the first time. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. There's the, oh, it's magnetic. No, I thought it was magnetic, it's not. Okay, so here it is. Love DV8 products. So, beautifully machined, and it's gonna go right in the front. So there you have it. The project is coming along. Thanks again for coming on the journey with me, and stay tuned. Keep watching on the upcoming episodes on the progress of the 6th gen TRD Pro. Till next time, guys.